Hey, what's up? My name is Isaac Reeves, aka Life With Ikey, and welcome to the show. I'm just a regular guy from Harlem who likes to customize things every now and then. Everything from t-shirts to pants, hoodies, skateboards, you name it. In this series, you get a behind the scenes look at just how I make some of my customizations, and the thought process that goes behind the entire ordeal. Each week I'm going to be customizing something new, pushing my artistic abilities, trying to create something I've never created before. And as a bonus, you get a glimpse into my everyday life and the foolishness I'm always up to. Welcome to Life with Ikey. So here's the situation. We're about a month into this coronavirus quarantine, and I'm already starting to lose my mind. Thankfully, my uncle gave me a cool project. Take two pieces and customize them, but there's a catch. Alright, so the name of this game is Follow the Leader. I'm going to be taking these two pieces and then customizing both of them. But the catch is that they have to complement each other. So basically, pretty much what I do to one piece, I have to do to the other. Now, anytime I start a customization, I usually go straight off the dome. But for this one, I've been thinking overnight. So the plan is I'm gonna take some masking tape and block off the front of the shirt and paint just the buttons portion of the shirt. And then I'm gonna exchange the pockets with the fabric of another shirt. For the hat, I'm not 100% sure of how I'm going to customize that, but we'll see what happens as we go. So I have all my materials and I'm ready to get started, but I'm looking through my bag of art supplies and I'm noticing that there's something missing. Of course, I can't find my X-Acto knife. I ended up searching through 3 different book bags until I finally find it. Now it's time to get started. Put on the first base coat and start getting ready for bed. We're going to have to continue working on this project tomorrow. So it's day 2 of this project. I'm ready to pick off where I started last night. Since I know it's going to take a while for the paint to dry, I immediately get started working on the second coat. Looking at the hat, my mind challenge drawing a blank. I don't usually work with hats. But the whole point of this challenge is to push my artistic abilities. Yeah, I don't have any idea of how I'm gonna do this one. I've never worked with a hat before. Oh man. I don't even know. Look at this, like they're just walking in the park. Just like bro, that guy's running. Just for the sake of running, like yo, they really just like, oh, he lost his ball. They really just chilling outside. Like it's crazy. Whatever. About to eat. Now, if you've known me for any amount of time, you know that I love to eat. This quarantine has only made my appetite larger. Breakfast, lunch, snacks, dinner. Bro, like I definitely having the munchies like all the time. It's not even funny. Come on now. You're supposed to be losing weight during this quarantine, not putting on more pounds. Next time on Life with Ikey.
La ciencia.
Oh yes.
Perfect.
Nah, what? Nah, this is crazy.